Can you lose money on Kraken? Intro. Imagine a world where your digital assets are as valuable as gold, but the platform you're using is as unpredictable as the stock market. Hook. Can you lose money on Kraken? Context. Before we dive into the answer, let's understand what Kraken is and why it's so popular. Kraken is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It's known for its security, low fees, and a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. But with such a vast array of options comes a certain level of risk. Risk factors. Market volatility. Cryptocurrencies are notoriously volatile. Prices can fluctuate wildly within a short period. Even if you're holding a coin that you believe has long-term potential, its value can plummet in the short term, causing you to lose money. Hacking and theft. While Kraken has a strong reputation for security, no platform is completely immune to hacking. If your account is compromised, you could lose your funds. Leverage trading. Kraken offers leverage trading, which allows you to borrow funds to increase your position size. This can amplify your gains, but it can also amplify your losses. If you're not careful, you could end up owing more than you invested. Regulatory risks. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is constantly evolving. Governments around the world are taking different approaches to regulating digital assets. If a government imposes strict regulations on Kraken or the cryptocurrency market as a whole, it could have a negative impact on the platform and its users. Psychological factors. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be emotionally draining. It's easy to get caught up in the hype and make irrational decisions. If you're not careful, you could let your emotions cloud your judgment and lead to losses. Mitigating risks. While there are risks associated with using Kraken, there are also steps you can take to mitigate those risks. Here are a few tips. Do your research. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, it's important to do your research and understand the underlying technology. This will help you make informed decisions and avoid scams. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By diversifying your portfolio, you can reduce your risk of losing money if one particular cryptocurrency performs poorly. Set stop-loss orders. A stop-loss order is an order to sell your cryptocurrency at a predetermined price. This can help protect you from significant losses if the market takes a turn for the worse. Use cold storage. Cold storage refers to storing your cryptocurrencies offline. This is a more secure way to store your funds, as it makes it difficult for hackers to access them. Be patient. Cryptocurrencies are a long-term investment. It's important to be patient and avoid trying to time the market. If you believe in the underlying technology, stick to your investment plan and ride out the volatility. Conclusion. Can you lose money on Kraken? The answer is yes, you can. But with careful planning and risk management, you can minimize your losses and maximize your gains. Remember, the key to success in the cryptocurrency market is to stay informed, be patient, and avoid making impulsive decisions. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.